Ross, what's going on? It's Pete here, driving down the road, nighttime, got my lights on in the truck. It's going good. I wanted to give you a message, and that is I have perfected getting videos on YouTube to #1. And so basically for your company, based on your search phrase, Minnesota bathroom remodel, I can get your video to #1 and do it with probably 3 search phrases and 3 videos. And the reason why doing it that way is that you can cover all the searches. The highest video, #1 in Minnesota, is a company called Minnesota Rebath. And 10 months ago, they put a video out which is now #1, and it has 144,000 views in 10 months. I can get yours to #1. It takes me about a day per phrase, sometimes half a day per phrase, and it's tedious work, but I do enjoy getting a kick out of getting the video to #1. And your video can generate leads for your company. And give me a call and let's talk about this. I'd like to see your company get way more leads and calls, even though you already get a ton of leads and calls because you're a seriously established business. But I can generate warm leads, very warm leads, through these videos. Alright, thanks, Ross.